Bubba. Me, Mr. Sump Pump, and I am going to be installing this high water alarm on this ejector pump. Right now, I'm just unscrewing the lid. I got the lid up, got the coupler off. That is our ejector. It's pretty. It's pretty. And this is the high water alarm for the basement defender. Sits right above the float switch. It's going to act as a secondary float switch and an alarm. You'll receive a notification for high water, and it will turn on your AC primary pump. It's the whole package. Ta-da! It's on there in all its glory.